today, I'm just giving you a brief walkthrough of my Udemy courses, which I hope you will enroll for. As you can see, I've got about 68 students, 4 courses, and 6 reviews. And of course, this tells you all about me, and I know you guys know that. And there's also a link to my website, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, all the social media stuff. And I wanted to show you these are the 4 courses that I have available, and everything you need is in these courses to help you let you make really awesome handmade, homemade, personalized DIY items. I'm going to click on the circle skirt because it's new. Now, the circle skirt online course has come from me basically the circle skirt, as you know, on my YouTube channel has like over 1 million views, which is great. So I decided this year to update the course. And the prices are very reasonable for my online courses. So I hope you will sign up, and you can see what you'll learn in each course, how much videos in the course. There's some articles. You get lifetime access. That's based on Udemy, what they do. Oh, and you even get a certificate of completion. So to do the circle skirt, all you have to do is have a basic desire to learn how to sew. So I've got a little description here, and once again, it is for beginners. And let me expand all of these sections. So you could see there's a lot of lectures, but not so many. It's gonna, drive you crazy. Um, and let's see. Yeah, once again, this is new. It doesn't. The circle skirt doesn't have reviews yet, but I hope that if you try it or sign up for the online circle skirt course, that you will tell others, and or you'll also post a review. Let's go back, and I've also put the Boho Bag Purse course online. Yay! I got 2 students. Wow. Okay. Awesome. Oh, also, the cool thing about my online courses is that you don't have advertising within the course. So you're not having to watch, like when you see this stuff on YouTube, like a whole bunch of ads and or a whole bunch of other videos to watch. Some that might be what you're interested in, some maybe not so much. So, like my other courses, it tells you what you'll learn, what the course includes. You got videos, some articles, which is really like some documentation, some resources, and also you get a certificate of completion. So I go a little bit more. With the Boho Bag Purse course, you also get the pattern. So you don't have to buy the pattern on my Etsy shop as well. You get the pattern when you sign up for the course. So that's kind of like a super duper bonus. And this is a curriculum. This is all the stuff you'll learn if you're new to sewing, which is kind of what this is designed for. You can make a really awesome bag without a whole lot of drama. All the lectures are here. There's a lot of lectures to it, but as you can see, it's not going to take you forever to get it done. So yeah, that's the Boho Purse course, and it's new. It just came out this January, and I have 2 students in that already. And also, when you become a student in any of my courses, I respond to your questions and can kind of help talk you through it. Now, the How to Make Cute Dresses for Girls and Start Your Own Hair Bow Business, those courses I've had online for quite a while. As you can see, the How to Make Cute Dresses, it has basically like 34 students, which is awesome. And once again, it shows you what you'll learn and what the course includes. There's a description, and yeah, and this is a course for anybody who, if you want to make, cute dresses. Cool. Now, the prices change. Sometimes you can catch a coupon, but I don't, how do you say, control the pricing. That kind of is based on supply and demand and how Udemy sets it up. So, but you can usually get it for a good deal. Oh, and the hair bow business course. I love this course. I think, and I know because people have emailed me It's helped a lot of people to start their own hair bow business and make additional money, work from home. Oh, this course has 34 students, which is like really cool. And typically, people take the course. You may or may not have other people in the course with you at that time, but it's fine. It's fun. You'll love it. And for the hair bow business, it tells you all the supplies you're going to need because with this course, I'm going to show you how to make hair bows in different kinds. So you might want to practice because you need to create product to sell. Um, let's see. Okay, so that's it for now. We're going to go back to my main page. You can visit it at udemy.com, usersugarplumdolls.com, and you'll see all my great courses. I hope you'll sign up. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, y'all. Bye.